The evolution of data transmission technology and the application of AI and big data are rapidly driving the need for smart manufacturing. In harsh environments, a stable, high-speed connection is a must, and being able to ensure that large amounts of data and clear images can be analyzed and recognized in real time is the key to realizing various applications in smart manufacturing. Wanshih Industrial Cable Solutions can provide a wide variety of customized wire harnesses and connectors based on client-specific requirements to withstand the harshest environments. Wanshih provides customized mechanical design and tooling services for a large assortment of automation equipment and electrical devices. Not only do we support specifications that can withstand extreme weather, but we also offer numerous combinations of signal and power wire harnesses to satisfy any special requirements you may have. Wanshih Cable Solutions comply with all international standards, thereby ensuring the reliability of all your cloud and networking devices. Our products also include various applications in the smart workplace and smart home. Wanshih Electronic has over 35 years of rich experience in cable assembly and solutions. Wanshih provides a range of connector pitches and wire gauges for automatic industrial equipment and robotic equipment, meeting all your customized requirements. Innovating for connection. Wanshih Electronic.